Welcome to The Explainer. Today, we're talking about making those big life decisions.
We all face these huge, overwhelming choices, from our health to major purchases.
So, let's build a framework for making better choices using two very different examples.
First up, you've got to look past the symptoms and find the real problem.
Right, in health, that means finding the trigger, not just, managing the symptoms.
And this root cause idea, it applies everywhere. Let's try it with buying a car.
So, what's your primary need? You have to nail that down before you even start looking.
Okay, so you know the problem. Now you need good, solid information to guide you.
That's where experts come in. They're rigorously testing hundreds of options to get real data. And for your health, your intel comes from medical experts and tests just for you.
All right, with that solid data, you can finally weigh the pros and the cons.
And here's the thing. When you look at the data, you see no option is perfect. It's all trade-offs.
And this just shows how different options are built to solve totally different root causes.
So the key takeaway? The best choice is simply the one that actually fits your needs.
Okay, let's put this all together. Here's a simple, powerful roadmap for you.
This process gives you a super clear path through pretty much any tough choice you face.
Seriously, this works for your health, your money, any big choice that just feels overwhelming.
So, what's the next big decision you're going to tackle with this new roadmap?